What's up? Welcome to the pregame. My name is Josh. Here we go. Day trading is risky. Protect your money. Use stop losses if you can. Anything you can do to protect yourself, do that. This is Eva Trades and welcome aboard. And here I am today trading again, day 9 in the simulator. And I'm up $1,794 so far in 8 days. After that marvelous, awesome, beautiful, pretty spectacular day yesterday. And somewhat disappointing at the end, and weird, and possessed, but still I did it. Got over that $500 in profit that I wanted to make. All right, so moving on here. I'm done with that. So this is September 1st in the simulator. I'll go ahead and push play. We have 5 minutes to go till the market opens. Here is a look at the gap scan today, and just when I thought that it couldn't get any worse, it's worse. Yeah, I don't know, man. The market's just not looking too great lately. So, but somehow I've been able to make a little bit of money here and there. So let's try to keep that going. So the leading gapper up 52% today, HPCO, it's right here. And it's not looking too great right now, but that could change. Then I had to go down here to the fourth leading gapper to get anything halfway decent looking, and it's just starting to make a move here in the last 10 minutes or so. And then there's JZ down here at the bottom, and you can see it's trying to make a run for the high. So those are the three. I don't have anything else over here, so we're just watching these three today. And so I want to start out by looking at the larger time frames. Looking at the hourly time frame, it looks to me like on pretty much all of these, we're kind of like at the bottom. We're kind of rounding the corner on these. SXTC, it made a move late yesterday, gave most of that back, and we're trying to see continuation from there. So pretty impressive, this move right now. We'll see if we can hold that. So, on the 5-minute time frame, let me pull up that larger time frame again. I like the 15-minute here. You've got the high of the move, you got the low of the pullback, you've got a lower high, and bulls want this to be a higher low. Notable volume here, but the candle isn't finished yet. So it's an equilibrium on the hourly. Wouldn't be surprised to see us pull back a little bit more. So there we go. I think if I'm going to play this one, it's going to be on the larger time frame there. Pretty choppy on the smaller time frame below the VWAP. 5-minute downtrend. The lower high, double bottom, kind of. It's a lower low with no follow through. So that's a little bit bullish. Bulls certainly would like to get over 810, break through 810, maybe see a move up to 850, form a higher low, and then a break through that to confirm an hourly 5-minute trend change. And that, if we get a 5-minute trend change here back to the bulls, that would confirm our temporary bottom on this higher low, on this low right here on the 15-minute. So we'll see if that happens for us here today. Consolidating here, SXTX, no support nearby here. So where do we bounce from? This is a cheaper stock also, so I'm not liking that as much. We do have this level here from yesterday, $1.55. The VWAP is at $1.50. I don't know where I would buy this one. JZ, what time is it? We have less than 2 minutes to go. So JZ breaking out over the high of 673. So again, I'd look at a larger time frame for clarity on this. We got a higher low and a higher high with no follow through, a higher low, another higher high with no follow through. Bulls trying to get it going here, not having any luck yet. So yeah, I think I would want to see a little pullback on this before I buy it. So anyways, kind of hard to analyze these stocks when there isn't a clear direction. One thing I don't like about HPCO is that hourly candle here makes me think that we're going to see further consolidation on HPCO, although we already kind of have. We broke the low of that candle. So far, the bulls are holding the support of 727, so we'll see on that. So the market's about to open, and welcome again. Thank you for joining me. I do appreciate it. I hope this is educational for you and beneficial. So I can't trade the first 1 minute. Bulls really want to see a higher low and a higher high. We definitely have a higher low here now. That is confirmed at $1.63. Anything above $1.63 is a higher low if we pull back, although we haven't really given enough room for a pullback here yet. Breaking out now on JZ. I like HPCO here. Maybe a couple of opportunities. I think I like JZ the best. Pull back to $7. I'll take a starter at a pullback of 7. I'm going to add to it. A little risky jumping in twice like that on my first trade. We might pull back down into this area, so that would stop me out. The question is, do I jump back in? I think I do. I think I do, because this looks pretty good for a continuation higher. And it's a little risky on my part, but I'm jumping into SXTC also. I'm going to add on that pullback. And I'm in over here on HPCO as well. Didn't sell it. I wish I would have. As we came up to that VWAP. Wasn't watching it very closely. See if we break through. I'm going to sell half of it there. Sell it at the VWAP right there. That was a nice move. See if I can get a pullback on it. Sell some more of it there. Oh boy, I better stop trading JZ. Look at that, down 693 on it. Buy this dip here. And I think HPCO is halted. Yes, it is. But let's see if SXTC here can give us a move now. want to see it break over that $1.89 level. Let's see, I'm going to zoom in here just a little bit. Well, you talk about pulling back the reins. Today I haven't pulled back the reins at all. Getting into some pretty risky situations over here, especially losing that $693. I kept getting in as we were coming down, and I should not have been doing that. Kind of got a little carried away on that. As soon as I see profit here on XTC, I'm going to be trying to take that profit. Just because I'm in so heavy on it that I don't want to get stopped out. I'm in 3 times. So if I get stopped out, that's a $300 loss. And I don't want that to be the case. I'm going to go ahead and sell part of my, and I'm going to move my stop loss up. So I'm only going to lose 35 now. If I do get stopped out, I'm looking down here at this, at the bid. So I'm in at $1.76 right here. This is the ask right here. The bid is sitting here. So if the bid is above the entry, that means I am profitable. You can see my P&L up here, and I want to see it move a little more. The breakout over $1.82 would be up here. I'm going to drag my order up and sell it right there. So only making $21, but being protective. So what I'm going to have to do over here is cancel, because we're in a halt, I'm going to have to cancel these orders on HPCO, because once it resumes, it might end up selling my shares for me for a loss. So I have to cancel that. And I'm going to put this to a single order, set this to 820. No, I'll leave that there where it's at. So I'll have to sell twice to get out. Right now I have an open P&L of $200. So what I want to see is a gap up open, not a gap up open, but a resumption higher. Because I need to make enough. Well, right now, if I were to sell right away as soon as we open, if we open flat or higher, I would be green on the day. But if it opens lower, well, that would not be fun. Could have a red day today. Either way, I probably want to sell as soon as we resume. So I'll get back up to the charts here. So we halted at 6:33, so resumption will be 5 minutes from then, which will be 6:38. So that's another minute from now. Has it been that long? Wow. So I'm going to be looking down here at the price ladder. I'm going to be watching it to see where we open at. Get a drink of tea. I jumped in on SXTC. I have a really hard time saying that name. It was looking like it was going to break out there. I'm going to have to sell it here in a little bit because I need to be focused on HPCO. So it's not giving me what I want, so I jumped and got back out of it. Took a loss on it, down 35 on it now. Okay, so I'm watching HPCO. It's 6:38. So resumption should be any time now. There we go, resuming, and I'm selling and I'm selling. There we go. So I just made $1,100 on that stock. That was a nice gap. That was a nice resumption higher. So now on the day, I'm probably up like $400 or $500. And if I hadn't gotten carried away on JZ, I would have been up probably over 1,000. So there we are, halted again on HPCO. This is fantastic. We got us some momentum today. Hot damn. It's about time. It's about time. Unfortunately for me, I didn't take advantage of it the way I could have. But that's all right. A green day is a green day. I'll pull out my old calculator and let's see what we have here for profit. So we have I have $1,113 minus $35 minus $693 for a total of $385. Hard to believe on a day where I had a $1,000 winner that I'm only up $385. Oh man. So where I'm talking about I made a mistake is on JZ here. Just, you know, this I believe I think this opened here and it started pulling back. I was green on the stock initially, I think, wasn't I? Didn't I have a winner on it at first? I'm pretty sure I did. And then I bought it here, but I bought it a bunch of times and then it got stopped out. And then it came down here and I bought it a couple more times thinking that this level might hold. But instead we got the old scissors and down we came. So I got caught up in the moment there. I should have only been buying once, not a bunch of times. I know better than that. But I got a little carried away. I am interested in HPCO, but I think that's gonna do it for me. I'm gonna stop there because for me here where I'm at right now, it's early in the morning, and in a few more hours I'm gonna open up the live stream and I'm gonna trade in the live market because it's Monday morning. So I want to get this video posted to YouTube. Maybe go eat something, take a little nap, whatever. Get ready for the live show. So. That's going to do it for me. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate it. I hope you learned something. I hope I learned something. And I will be reviewing this for sure because I don't like what I did on JZ. So anyways, you take good care of yourself and I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.